Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account in no time. This will be the fastest way and the easiest way you can do it. So first up, we're going to go to paypal.com. You're going to press the sign up for free. We're going for personal account this time. Let's get started. So we're going to put our mobile phone. So after we enter our phone code, we're going to set up our profile. We're going to put our address, where we're from. After that, you're going to put your home address. It's that easy. And after that, you're going to agree to the user agreement and the privacy statement and create your account. That's simple. Glad you joined us. Now all you got to do is press browse. We are not going to link our card right now. And this is it. This is your PayPal account. So in order to send money or request money, you have to link your card. The way you link your card is you're gonna go to wallet here on PayPal. You're gonna link a card or bank, and you're gonna select link or credit, and you're gonna type in your information over here from the card. And that's it. If you encounter any problems, please let us know down in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.